Hello, Tracy here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm a little bit behind in the 50 stack challenge 4. I believe we've got 3, 4, 5 and 6 to do. So number 3 is dog. This video might be a very short video. It might only take 10 minutes. Might take 20, I doubt it though. So we're going to get cracking with these. So I hunted around and of course seen the Tim Holtz little people with their dogs and everything, but I wasn't really feeling it. When I used to be an art journaler, I used to use these, Art by Marlene. So I had a look through this one. Was it this one, or it might have been the other one that's beside me? Here's the other one, and found the dogs. There they are. So you get 2 of each, and then at the front there's a slightly bigger one, but I pulled out 3 of them. I have got something in mind further down the track in the way of a journal, so these will actually go perfectly in them, I think. So let's move this out of the way. I want to make some tags, so let's get cracking. I have pulled out 3 tags from Tracy Fox Artie, is it Artie Mays, their collaboration. So I've got 3 tags for these and picked out, yeah, so I've got that. I've got some Tim Holtz paper. I have got some scrap paper. I have got, I'm trying to use up my stash, so I've got pink monarch prints. I must have done something along the way, and literally this is pretty much all I've got left. So if I can use some of this up, it'd be great. I'm all about trying to use my stash up at the moment, not ordering stuff. And then I've got a whole lot of like labels and things in here. I did bring this along. This is Junk with Steph. I've got a whole lot of labels in here, but I don't think I'll need that. So we will get started on doing these. So I think this one's going to be real simple. If I can find something in here, postage stamp. Oh, there you go. Maybe something like that. Something like that. Real simple. And to be fair, I don't know whether I'd add much else to that. I did pull these out. I've got these washi tapes. They're only real little, so maybe, because you know, we all have that drawer where we have stuff sitting in it and we never use it. So I think these 50 stack challenges will be a good way for me to start using up what I've got. So I'm not going to use that. Maybe let's see what this one is. Could use that. I don't want the orange, although that would be a nice contrast. So let's go for a couple pieces of these. Right, I think that the small one is pretty much done. I'll put a bit of washi tape on it if I can find the end. There it is. With my non-existent nails now, because I keep biting them. So how are you all? I'm doing well. I'm filming this the same day that I filmed the last one. So just rip that off. Am I in screen? Yeah, great. yeah. Oh, there's two there. How did that happen? Let's just put that over there to dry. Yeah, so because I'm filming it the same day, I really don't have much to say. My daughter's just been around. We've just had dinner. She was saying she went for a swim and there were so many blue bottles. So she's been stung on her leg, but she'll survive. It's not the end of the world. Might actually do that. Yeah, for some reason we've got heaps of blue bottles at the beach. Like I have said in the previous video, it's no sun is shining. It's pretty humid, so going to the beach isn't a silly idea, even though it's grey sky and raining. I think it was about 89% humidity, I believe. So yeah, she's getting up there. And let's just stick that one down. So I think this 50 stack challenge is I did a journal, like the first one was like a double, like a tuck tag. I think now that I've started them, I'm going to try and get a few like tags out of the way. I just don't really, it's one thing I don't have much of, and I'm having to make them as I'm doing journals. Yeah, so let's see. So it's been that kind of yucky day really, where it's you don't dare take the dogs for a walk, because if you do it's going to rain, but then it's like, do you go out and get rained on anyway because it's actually not cold? I don't think my dogs actually know that they are dogs. They don't like getting wet. Quite like that. Let's have a look in here, see if we can use any of this stuff up. Already I'm looking at that. What else have we got? No, I think, although that one might go with that. Maybe that up there. Wouldn't be a silly thing. And then we've got Joy down here. Maybe. I feel like it needs something like this. Super fragile paper from Rachel at Roxy Creation. So we've got a mixture from different people by the looks of it that I'm going to be using. So just have a bit of that peeping out, that up there, that there, that there. I'm happy with that. Whether I can remember where everything goes is another thing. that on there. These bases are real handy. I'm going to have to print some more of these out actually. Just so handy to grab. I actually do have a few more of Tracy Fox's background labels. I just haven't cut them. Maybe I have to have a cutting session or put the TV on, and or my partner is out there, so maybe I grab some stuff and do some fussy cutting out there, and we'll watch a movie. We're watching a series at the moment, I think it's called The Boy Who Swallowed the Universe. It's an Australian Netflix series. I'm not really getting into it, but I'll watch it while I'm cutting. It's not something that I'm really enjoying. I'm not 100% sure I actually want that word there now. Let's have a look and see. What I can pick out. That one. That one. Definitely that one. Well, I've used one thing from this Pink Monarch prints, so happy with that. Using the stash. Use the stash only to reprint it and then start again. I just need to get my wipes out. I just need to get goobered up and have glue all over my hands, and I don't want that. And I'll put that over about there. And all around the outside. Cool, I'm excited to get these done. I will put them to the side. Like I said, I've got a kit in mind. I haven't got it yet. But I think these will be perfect for it. Oops, fly. Right, so this is another piece maybe to use up, or do we see what this looks like? I don't really want to cover this up, but I think I'm going to have to. And then we almost need, let's have a look. I have got, I don't want Tim, I'm not going to do Tim Holtz, I don't think. I've got some pieces of paper here. Oh, that would have been quite pretty. Some pink. Wait, that. Try that. Oh, it's getting warm in here. I've got the door shut. And then let's find Just rifling around in here to see if there's something maybe to use. What's this? Maybe. I actually don't want that. I think it just takes away. And I'm actually going to rip that down a bit. And maybe have that down there. Now I'm second guessing myself, which is a bad move, bad move. So I want something for down there. Maybe we will go to Steph's. No. Maybe we'll go to Steph's. It's just so much to choose from in here. Let me have a look. That must have been quite a fluke grabbing out the smaller ones. Oh, because they're at the front, that's why. I was going to say, all I can see is big ones in here. I have, I wonder if I make it a little bit more girly. And I wonder if I've got, I'm just having a look up here, for a stamp. I've got a heap of stamps, but of course none nearby. What's in here? No stamps. Oh, maybe we'll do more numbers up the top. Looks like a plan. Right, so I'm going to stick that down before I change my mind. And it looks like it's already been. Funny how I've done the same as that one. So is there anyone else out there that's playing along? It's from Crafty Cat. I think it's Amy from Crafty Cat is the one that pulls these out for us to play along with. So yeah, we'll get these dog ones done and then I'll go and have a cup of tea, come back, turn it on and do the next one. So I think, yeah, I actually like this, so not quite sure. Just have to dot the art glitter glue around. It's the only thing about these. I bought some dies the other day. Oh, actually no, I didn't. I lie. I bought some dies November, December. I seen them. I was tidying out my drawers and I actually seen them sitting there, and I haven't used them. I haven't, my intention was to sit there one day with a whole lot of scrapbook scraps, sort of neutrally type ones, and die cut for the afternoon so that I had some branches and trees and things like that. I think mainly they're flower ones. So yeah, I haven't done that yet either. So I know I've got a stack of fussy cutting to do. I need to do that because what's the point buying it and then not using them? And like I said, this year I'm all about using my stash. So, and I haven't bought anything. I will probably break that though when it comes to when I go away. I'm heading up north with my mother on the 1st. I've probably already mentioned it. So depending on what the timing is with that, we might stop in at a few second-hand shops on the way up. It's about a 3.5 hour car journey from here. I know there's a lot of roadworks, so probably looking closer to 4 hours for an appointment, but hey, you do what you have to do, get it done, and then if we've got time, she likes going to the antique shops and second-hand stores too, which is really, really good. So there we have it. Do we need to put any of this to tie it all on in together? Because more than likely, I don't think we do actually, more than likely these are going to go into the same journal. So that there, people, is a 50 stack challenge for number 3 challenge, dog. So I hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was only going to take me 10 minutes, but I see we're just hitting past 20 minutes, 22 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you back shortly for number 3, which is Grandma's Attic. Okay, thank you. See ya.